going to show you how you can create a seamless pattern design that you can use across a range of print-on-demand products. And this can include things like fabric, or phone cases, or journal covers. I'm going to be using Pattern AI's Pattern Builder, and I'm going to take you through my full process from the upload of a design that I've created into the pattern creation, and then what happens after that. If you've ever wanted to turn your own designs into actual products, then this is the video for you. As you'll soon see, this is a really practical workflow that you can follow too. There are two things you need to consider when you are creating patterns. One is that the pattern needs to be seamless. That means that when that pattern is repeated, you don't see any unnecessary lines or breaks or sort of blank spots throughout the pattern. And the second is scale. So sometimes you might need things that are very large on the pattern. Other times you might be going for more of a smaller icon with lots of detail. I'm going to be keeping both of those things in mind as I go about creating this next design. So let's pop across to the computer and let me show you how we can create our seamless pattern. Here I am at the Pattern AI website, and I'm going to head up and begin designing. So the first thing I'm going to do is come across here to Home, and in making today's pattern, I'm going to be using elements. So your artwork that you do add in could be illustrations, doodles, or even text elements if that's what you're after. Anything that you want that you'd like to turn into a repeated pattern. Obviously, you don't need to be adding in a whole lot of images like I just have now, but I am going to be pushing this a little bit to see what sort of complex pattern I can get out of it. What I like about this is that I'm still using my own designs. Pattern AI is just helping me turn them into a usable format. So now from here, I can start adjusting how the pattern is built. And one of the most helpful features is that if you have a look on the right side here, you'll see that you're able to preview how the pattern tiles instantly. This is really important for print on demand because even a small spacing issue can become very obvious once the design is repeated across a product. Another great feature is the background color and being able to change that up. This will give you a new look to your pattern and open up numerous opportunities for different patterns as well. Here you can see that I have made a few changes to my original design. I've changed up the background color and I took out a few elements just to make it look like I wanted it to. Now I'm going to make the resolution 3500 by 3500, and I'm going to download the repeat image there and also the pattern tile. I also want to save one at 1024 by 1024 because this is going to be used in the next part where you can preview this pattern on some products. You can see I've already uploaded my file and I can see what it looks like on a bedroom set. It's easy to do, you just add your images to get started. You have some additional options down here where you can actually ask AI to generate a mock-up for you, so you can change this up here. And you can also change the aspect ratio of these particular mock-ups as well to suit the project that you need. Now once you've seen it on the product, if you feel that something feels too crowded or too empty, then you can go back into the pattern builder again. The key thing is here is that it's seamless, so it will scale across different product sizes without losing quality or creating awkward edges. This is where I find Pattern Builder really helpful because it bridges that gap between having an idea or an artwork and actually having something ready to use in a product setting. Once you have a seamless pattern like this, it becomes really versatile. If you've ever wanted to explore print-on-demand products or create your own product designs, this is a really approachable way to start. Pattern Builder allows you to take your existing artwork, create great designs that can be used across a range of different formats. If you'd like to try Patterned AI for yourself, then don't forget to check out my affiliate link below. I'd also love to see what product designs you might have made, so don't forget to tell me all about it in the comments section. Thanks for watching the video today, and I'll see you in the next one.